Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Welcome back. Today we're working on a 2011 Ford Focus SE 2.0 automatic front wheel drive, and customer complaint, a concern that is that the vehicle sometimes doesn't want to start. And after talking to the customer, that showed me what was the issue. So as you can see right now, I have the ignition on, the vehicle on park, and the key here, and like it's all the way there. Nothing. That's the problem. Okay, so sometimes does it, sometimes start right away, sometimes we have to go extra to get it to work. Now it's working again. Watch. Oh no. See, have to go like extra, and sometimes just bottom and doesn't want to do it. Anyhow, so I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot that. And before we continue, if you find any value in this video whatsoever, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. And every time that you guys give it a like, you are guys telling me that the time that I invest in on creating all this content and upload it to YouTube, so somebody around the world potentially can fix the vehicle, save money, and get back on the road. So it's worth my time. So keep me motivated to continue doing this kind of videos for you guys. So please give it a like. And if you're already a subscriber, I appreciate it. Welcome back. It really means a lot to me. Anyhow, let's get into the video. So a couple things here. We have an airbag here. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna have to disconnect the battery. Okay, because what I'm gonna show you what to do, how to do it, is going to be how to remove and replace the ignition switch. It's gonna be the first step. But to prevent us from pulling something and deploying the airbag, so we're going to disconnect the battery, let it sit for like 15 minutes. Some vehicles say 20 minutes. And so we can just decharge all the system on the vehicle, and we can safely start to remove components over here. All right, so let me do that. As soon as the time passes, I will start the video again. All right, so battery disconnect, time has passed. So the next thing that we're gonna do here, we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 bolts, and those bolts or screws are 732 millimeters. See if I can get you a better angle here. Too much glare here. Okay, 732. So let's remove those. So they're small, as you can see. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, all 3 are down. Now we're going to remove this part. Pull nice and gentle here. I'm gonna pull. Done. So that's gonna give us more space to bring the steering column down, so we can actually take this thing apart. Okay. Just be careful, be patient. Don't just try to pull stuff and destroy it, because remember, sometimes this thing, they're exposed to the light right here through the windshield, and with the heat, with the windows up, and this vehicle is from Arizona, so guess what's gonna happen? It is very hot, and it can get damaged. All right, great. So so far. Let me continue. So here we have to lower it from here, plus lower and twist it. There you go. See? Lower, twist. Okay, great. All right, so what we're gonna need next here, well, we should be needing the key. Oops. The key. All right, so let me pause the video because I need to get the camera situated. All right, let me stop the video and restart it. Alright guys, so in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to replace the electrical component on the ignition switch. Okay, you have three things here for the ignition to work, for the vehicle to start. One is going to be the lock cylinder, where you put the key and turn the key, okay, and unlock the steering wheel. That's the mechanical part, one piece. The next part is going to be the electrical part, that is right here with the connector, the wires, power, you know, got powerful coming from the battery, and from there when you turn, it's going to turn, allow to that power go to different accessories like the radio. Then you go a little bit farther and you're gonna see the cluster light up, and finally you go all the way and crank the engine, release it, and that's the electrical part. Okay, sometimes it's not this what it goes bad, it is this part. So you have to do your testing. On this one I'm just showing you how to remove it and replace it. I'm not showing you how to test it. Okay, so this video is more like a how to remove it. And pull. Okay, that's the clip. You depress it like you saw me doing it. All right, so that's that. The next part is going to be right here, right there. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep this center. Hopefully you guys can see. And again, I have, so you're gonna depress this part. Let me get the camera situated here. Hopefully you guys can see. It's going to be like this. This one. Hoping we have another one here. Let me check. Yep, we have another one here. So there's one at the bottom here, and one on the top, right on the top of the stem. Okay, now both are released. Okay, it's that one there. That's the top one. That's the bottom one. All right. So you saw me there. I just twisted. Let me do this again. So you install it like that, and you just push in. So push from the top, and pull like this, like that, and comes out. You don't have to remove anything else. So this part of the video is to show you how to remove the ignition switch, the electrical part. Okay, right there. In some occasions when you replace this, if that was bad, sometimes they can damage your pigtail. So as long as the pigtail is good, it's no anything hot or melted, you should be able to reuse it, replace this part. Okay, one way you can test this is keep it connected. And with a screwdriver, you come here, one is going to fit right here, so you turn and you do that. And if you start or don't start, that is your problem. Okay, this part right here, when it's using ignition switch. There's a lot of other tests you can do, but I'm just showing how to replace it. That's it. Great. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.